So, eto lang pakiusap ko sa Malacanang. Kumuha kayo ng isa pang senador para sa special session, bumaba na ako bilang Senate President para wala na tayong problema pare-pareho, pero para masunod yung konstitusyon. On that point, I'd like to thank Senator Robin Padilla because if not for him having the correct strategy of pulling Senator Pia aside or pushing Secretary Remulla pagpasok, hindi kayo nakapasok ngayon dito. No? And I'd like to thank every single member ng staff ng Senado who are here today. Katulad ng ating lounge, hinanda pa nila yung pagkain, yung nag-ayos ng mga mesa. But hingi lang ako, Chairman, na magdasal at mag-reflect ang mga taga-Senado. If this was the declaration of martial law, 50 years ago, etc., no? There were many issues then. It was a different time. Pero you reflect later on, tama o hindi na padlock. I'll not judge that, no? I'll not judge that kasi we're here today. But here today, who is the legitimate Senate President? Because hindi to away ng dalawang barkada. Ang lahat ng empleyado natin dito will have to decide on Monday. Do we follow the Philippine Constitution or the Constitution of the 11+1? Do we follow the Senate rules or do we follow the rules of the 11+1? Sabi sa akin ng isa kong kaibigan kaninang umaga, Chairman, sometimes you have to bend the Constitution to please Malacanang.